Good afternoon, dear students. Today we will do exercise 11D part A and B and exercise 11E part A and B. Okay, so 11D A part, express the grams. These are from 9 to 12 in syllabus. Okay, let us see how to do this. So ninth question is 7 kilogram and 50 grams. So we have to change these express as grams. Express as grams means we have to change these in grams. So what is given? 7 kilogram 50 grams. So what is the, we are given here kilograms and here grams. So we have to change this into grams. Okay, so kilogram into grams and here grams into grams. So these are already grams, so no need to convert these. These we will all, these are already grams, so we will simply add these. So it means we have to convert these 7 kilograms into grams. So let us see how will we do this. Just see, as in the previous exercise we were using the units of length. Now here will use the units of mass. Mass means weight. Okay, so the basic unit of mass will be gram. So with kilo we will put gram, hectogram, decagram, gram. Gram is the basic unit. Decigram, centigram and milligram. Okay, so this we will write this way. Again I am telling you, केले हैं दुकान में means basic. Okay, दुकानदार से मिलो. Okay, so just see, now here 7 kilogram into grams. So kilogram into gram, this is kilogram and these are grams. Okay, so just see, we have to move forward from here to, when we have to move to grams, we will move forward. So kilogram to hectogram, hectogram to decagram, decagram to gram. So how many steps we moved forward? 3 steps. 3 steps we move. Each step we have to multiply by 10. Each step we have to multiply by 10. So when we multiply 10 3 times, we get 1000. So it means when we have to convert 7 kilogram into grams, we have to multiply 7 by 1000 grams. Okay, so I hope you have understood kilogram into gram. So we move 3 steps forward. Each step means multiply by 10. Each step multiply by 10. So when we multiply 10 3 times, then we get 1000. 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. So it means when we have to convert 7 kilogram into gram, so we will multiply 7 by 1000 grams. Okay, so 7 ones are 7 and these 3 zeros as it is. Okay, and what about these 50 grams? These are already grams because we have to convert into grams. These are already grams. So plus we will simply write 50 grams as it is. These are also grams now. These are also grams. So we can add. Okay, so add, how to add? 7000 you write, downside you have to write 50. 50 will come at ones and tens place. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 5 5, 0 and here 7. So it will be 7050 grams. In the same way you will do the next question. Okay, so now I will make you understand part B. Express as kilogram and gram. So what is given to us? 16,892 grams. And as I told you, if we are given to change into 2 units, so what will we do? We will see the first unit only. Second unit automatically we will get. Just see. So now what is the first unit? These are grams and we have to change into kilograms. Okay, so grams into kilograms. So these are grams and these are kilograms. So it means from moving gram to kilogram, we have to move back. We have to move back. So how many steps we moved back? 3 steps. 3 steps we move back. So 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. So it means we have to divide by 1000. Okay, so I have already told you, divided by 1000 means see the 1000 place. Divided by 1000 means see the 1000 place. Okay, so I will write here, divided by 1000 means divided by 1000 means see the 1000 place. 1000 place. Okay, so just see, so write 16,892 grams. So at top we write ones, tens, 100, 1000. So which digit is at 1000 place? 6. But after 6, one more digit is there. So don't leave that digit because this is also in the number. Okay, so that digit you will take along 1000 place. So 6 is at 1000 place, so you will take the next digit also with this. So these 16 kilogram will be, these 16 will be kilograms, and what is left? 892, that will be grams. Okay, keep in mind that in 1 kilogram 1000 grams are there, so there must be only 3 digits in the side of grams. If we are writing 4 digits in the side of grams, sometimes what students are doing, they are writing 1 kilogram and 6892 in grams. So it will be wrong, because in kilogram, in gram side only 3 digits will be there. Why? You just see, when we move from kilogram to gram, how many places we move? 1, 2, 3. It means there should be 3 digits only in the side of grams. Okay, understood? Okay, when kilogram and gram we are writing, then there should be 3 digits only in the side of grams. So again, next question also you see 25,008 grams. So again we have to convert these into kilograms. So gram into kilogram. Gram into kilogram. So again we are moving 3 steps back. So it means we have to divide by, moving back means divide. So when we move back, we have to divide. So by which number we will divide? Each step by 10. So 3 steps means by 1000. So we have to divide by 1000. So as I have told you, divided by 1000 means see the 1000 place. So we see the 1000 place here, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Again here at 1000 place 5 is there, but after 5 one more digit is there. So you have to write that digit in the side of kilograms only along with 5. Okay, so along with 1000 place you will write that digit, so it will be 25. So 25 kilogram and 008 grams. I hope you have understood this. Okay, so 10th and 12th question are done in the same way. You can do these questions, understand these, and then do. Okay, then next exercise 11E, add. These are also in the same way as we have done the addition of the previous exercise. 12 kilogram 425 grams plus 21 kilogram 742 grams. Okay, so kilograms we will add in kilograms and grams we will add in grams. Just write first 12 kilogram 425 grams. Downside 21 kilogram 742 grams. Okay, so gram as it is you write 5 plus 2 7, 4 plus 2 6, 7 plus 4 11, then carry over 1 to the next other side. 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 1 3. So it will be 34 kilogram 167 grams. So all the questions are done in the same way. You have to do these in the same way. Okay, next is subtraction. Okay, subtraction. So now subtraction, I will tell you which question. This 8th question you see. So this is 178 kilogram 40 grams. So only in the side of grams I have told you 3 digits must be there. Okay, but here are only 2 digits. So what will we do? 0 we will put in the beginning. Why? Because if we will put 0 in the last, it will become 400 grams. And there is difference between 40 grams and 400 grams. If I say your weight is 40 gram and your weight is 400 grams, so there is difference now. Okay, so we cannot make 40 400. So we want to make here 3 digits also, and we don't want to change the number also. So here it will be 0 in the beginning. Okay, so it makes here 3 digits also, and the number is also remain same. Okay, so now you have to do 178 kilogram 040 grams and 86 kilogram. We will write here 86. If you write 8 and 6 here, it becomes 860. Okay, you have to write 86, so 086 kilogram and 210 grams. Okay, so gram as it is now, 0 minus 0 0, 4 minus 1 3. So can we subtract 2 from 0? No, we have to borrow. So when we borrowed, here becomes 10. 10 minus 2 8, and here left 7. 7 minus 6 1. So here 7 and here 8. Can we subtract 8 from 7? No. So we have to borrow. Here becomes 17. 17 minus 8 9. So our answer is 91 kilogram 830 grams. All other questions also in the same way. You can do these questions in your classwork notebook, and don't forget to submit the homework.